Bitcoin just made a new all-time high. And if you guys are wondering about what I did with my short position, I closed my short position right before it hit that price that I opened it at $73,466. I closed it on like 300 or 200, 74,200 ish. And I am getting convinced that we are officially in the bull market. And a lot of you guys were thinking that I was against it, but I said that I was 90% altcoins and I was shorting Bitcoin at the same time. And I said that if we go up for altcoins and Bitcoin and everything, I'm going to make money with my altcoins. And if we go down, I was going to make money with my short position. So now that I have closed all my short positions, now I am just waiting for my alts to fly, and I'm going to tell you guys what is my plan. In my previous video, I said that we are on a good support, but also in a good resistance. We need to break above $660 billion for total 3. Which total 3 excludes BTC and Ethereum. I said everything else, this is the chart for it, and I think that we are getting very bullish for everything. And Trump, if you guys want to look at it right now, Trump is ahead, and that's why you guys, no surprise for us that Bitcoin is just rallying like crazy, okay? I could have closed my short position with $500 in profit, but I just didn't, and I lost it all the profits, and I just closed the short position, and it's fine. It happens, it's part of the trading nature. So, but in monthly chart, guys, I need to show you guys that I'm not saying that I'm gonna be bearish again, but we need to see that how we're gonna do this month for this close candle. So we need to see how we're gonna close November candle, and if we are gonna close the body above these 3 bodies that you guys see that how we have hit exactly on the same level, and all the 3 bodies are on the same level. So we need to see if we're gonna get stuck in here and start going back down, or we're gonna break this time. But honestly, if you want to look at the total market cap is still stuck around the level that I had said that we need to break above $2.46 trillion. But I think that because we are getting to the top for BTC dominance, I'm going to show you guys how it looks that we're going to see altcoins rallying like crazy very soon, is because we have reached this resistance. I said that between 60 to 63, 62%, I am expecting dominance to rise. And then once we cannot really pass above, we're going to see that BTC dominance is going to start going down, and we're going to see altcoins rallying. So that's why I am having 2 signs that we can see that BTC dominance is topping. We're just going to put this aside. So we have this horizontal level that I just showed you, that it is right within. And the other one is this channel that I have been showing you guys since we were here. I said that we're going to probably keep going up to 60% at least within these 2 lines. And you guys see that we are on top of it. So every time we hit this level, we start crashing really heavily for BTC. So even I want to tell my members, I do not have to make a member video. I need to tell my members that I am getting bullish for altcoins. So I am not really afraid to stay on my altcoins. Even BTC, if it pulls back, I am expecting altcoins to start rallying, to go toward this bottom line one more time, okay? Or at least down to 58, 59%. So I am expecting almost billions of dollars get into a lot of altcoins. So the bags we are holding with the small altcoins that we have been buying, $30, $40, it might look very small bags of each, but we are buying a lot of those, and there are around 5 million, 3 million, 2 million market cap. A lot of those can pump up to even $200, $300 million once we see that BTC really crashing really hard. Okay, so I am more bullish. I am 80-90% bullish right now. But obviously, we need to consider that we are getting this pump because of the election, because Trump is winning almost. Okay, well, we do not know what we're gonna end up having as results for, but so far, you guys see that BTC is pumping because Trump is ahead. Okay, go ahead and comment down below if you guys are Trump fan or Harris. So it's really, I'm not a fan of none of them because I just hate politics and I do not really care about any of them. But to me, Ethereum BTC pair can start going higher toward this line where we had this rejection before. And I think that's going to totally make sense that we can start going higher for altcoins very soon. Okay. And USDT dominance, I have to tell you guys, this is the weekly chart. We went, and if we look at the non-logarithmic chart, we can see that in weekly chart we can clearly see that we had this pullback and we started going lower. Okay, the next level I am expecting for USDT dominance, and if you guys do not know, USDT is having opposite correlation. So because USDT has been going down, you guys see that BTC has been pumping. Okay, so this is the opposite correlation. But again, because we have gone above and made a new all-time high for BTC, it's totally normal that we have a little bit of pullback on top of it. So we can go down to even $69,000 one more time very slowly in the next couple of weeks, or even 2-3 weeks, and until we see that we start going higher. We do not have to do that because a lot of these breakouts did not last that long, and we can see rallying even further for BTC. But you guys need to pay attention to this white line. Again, I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm gonna be selling. Now I think it is a good time to get into altcoins. As I said to my members who are watching this video right now, I am on my altcoins no matter what's gonna happen. I am more positive about altcoin season than any other time. Okay, so that's why I think that we have done our pullback and we're going to start going toward this white line. Okay, so do your own money management. I cannot tell you to go all in or anything like that, but the budget I have made for myself, I think I am totally fine and I am ready for the alt season. Okay, but again, we need to see more confirmation for our total 3. We need to break up. We also need to see BTC start going lower, which I think we are very close to do that. We might just go a little bit of sideways and then start going lower. We need to see total market cap breaking above $2.46 trillion to make sure that we have closed any daily candle above this level to see if we're gonna have to deal with the next resistance later. But so far we are stuck around that level. We need to see that breakout. And USDT, of course, we need to start going lower than 5%. Again, we are around 5%. 5% that I showed you exactly how I called it, that we're gonna probably pull back. Again, this red candle that I showed you guys before, I'm going to put this aside. This red candle where I called that $73,000 was the top. We started pulling back. For USDT started going higher and BTC started pulling back down to $68,000, say $67,000, and I said that there is a good support area for $67,000 in free Telegram group. Okay, so you guys have been seeing that, how I have been showing you guys what I see in the charts. But honestly, I was not really expecting to start crashing like that for USDT. I was still thinking that we were gonna go higher, but of course, we make mistakes too. We're not going to be 100% right. That's why I said that no matter what, I'm going to hold my altcoins. I'm going to hold my bags for any scenario. So even if we go back down to $50,000 or start going higher and get into alt season, but I said that we are very close for our alt season, to alt season. So that's why I was like, okay, even if I'm going to short BTC, I'm going to still be ready for the alt season. If we break above this line monthly chart and close a monthly candle and I would love to see around $77,000 at least. If we close this monthly candle for November for BTC around $77,000, I would say that we're gonna probably most likely go towards almost $95,000. It depends on how long we're gonna take up to get to this level, to this line, because we had these two tops, and if we touch them both, we're gonna see almost, if we go very sharp, we're gonna see $91,000. But if we just go kind of zigzag and start going higher, that will be even higher prices. So we need to see how we're gonna close this November, and also what the election is gonna be. Okay, the numbers are getting closer. It's gonna get stressful. I know that it is politics. That's why I do not really believe in a lot of the things that people believe in. Okay, governments will do anything they want to do. We are just voting for nothing. Okay, this is just my personal opinion. Okay, I do not really get into politics, and I do not really want to, because that's just not my thing. Okay, but again, we are getting closer. You see that the numbers are getting closer, so you guys need to make sure that you are managing your money. As I said, you need to get into altcoins if you want to. None of these are financial advice. Put the money you are willing to lose. Okay, that's why I'm putting the money I am willing to lose, or I have to just wait a long time until we really hit the alt season. But as I said, I am seeing enough evidence that we're gonna get into alt season very soon. Okay, but again, I need to see these breakouts, and I will show you guys once I see that. So make sure that you are subscribed. Please hit the like button, share this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.